Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Who is going to win our lucky 15,000 subscriber giveaway? This giveaway is amazing. I think it's the best ever, to be honest. So much goodness in here. Can you see how big this is? This is my head. It's big. The giveaway's big, not my head. How we always start our giveaways, if you're new, is with a bracelet from Kuzuri Beads. So these bracelets are amazing. The company is amazing. They support single mothers, teach them how to do pottery in whatever, like in different jobs. So some people make beads, some people make clay, some people do painting, or glazing, and some people do assembly. So it's a super amazing company, and I like to support them as much as I can. Plus, the bracelets are golden. Like, they're so fantastic. They just slip on, so any size fits anybody. And they just slap on your wrist, and they make any outfit, like all of a sudden it looks like you tried, opposed to it's my pajamas. You know what I mean? So these things are great, and we picked these colors because, well, I'm loving it. They're great, they're amazing. And then from those colors, we pick the yarn. So let me put the bracelet, where can I put it? Just there for a minute. Can you see it? Seems far away. Then we do yarn to match the bracelet. So we have 5 balls of Kenyan acrylic, which is always fun to hold. 2 more. So those are the colors of acrylic yarn. They're 100-gram balls, and they are a number 4 weight, so worsted weight number 4. Don't know the yardage, but they're 100 grams. In those colors. This is the pretty part. Then we also have this. This is a wool blend. It is wool blended with acrylic, and it is textured. But it is super fantastic and has all the colors of the bracelet in there. It's super lightweight. So this is 50 grams, and it is about the same size. Well, I guess it's not totally, but it's fluffy and great. And then we also have this eyelet for texture. So just depending on what you want to make, you're not limited to the same texture of yarn. You can throw this in and it will match the bracelet. Do you think I can get this off my shoulder? Oh my gosh, I hope so. Oh, maybe not. So that is the yarn that matches the bracelet. I think I have to put it down here. And the bracelet. So that is what starts the giveaway. Now on to little treats, little Kenyan treats. Because I do live in Kenya and I like to support Kenya, and I am giving and I'm giving away a super big box, 100 tea bags of my very favorite tea, Caricho Gold. Got to put my glasses on now. Got to do work. So this is pure Kenyan tea. So the tea you normally get in the rest of the world is a blend. They blend different tea leaves from around the world to come up with a blend, and then they repackage and sell it to you. Kenyan tea is basically the black tea. So that gives the color, it gives the flavor, it gives the strength of tea. And this is 100% pure Kenyan tea. It's not a blend, it's actual real tea. It's amazing. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below. But this is, in my opinion, the best tea. It's amazing, it's super great. And from what I have heard, the people who have tried it, yes, you can comment below, totally love it and want more. So this is the tea. You can put it there. Maybe we should just do all tea now. Okay, fine. We also have pure green tea. So this is also from Kenya. Green tea is the same as regular tea, except it is not roasted, it is just dehydrated. So they dehydrate it, and it's also just the tip of the tea plant. So they just use the very, very baby leaves, and that makes the green tea. Mucky, I'm filming, honey. What?
Is this mirror running Fortnite at my computer?
Mm-hmm.
And can Oliver and Ollie clean the office?
If it works, yeah.
Yeah.
Sure, go.
Mom,
I said, I'm filming!
you have a purple there.
What?
A purple down there, see?
Yeah, it's called, I'm getting to it. He's found the gum. It's a giveaway, you can't have it.
The bubble gum.
It's bubblegum. Okay, you can have it.
Yes, you can.
Okay, bye, I love you. Shut door, please. Thank you. Okay. Green tea, just the very tiny tips of the tea bushes, and then it's just dehydrated and not roasted or cooked or browned. What do we do? Too much tea. Okay, we'll start there. Ooh. Then there is, same company, I love the packaging. This is English breakfast tea. Isn't the packaging like so great? So it's a fine tea with a beautiful balanced aroma, richness, and flavor with all the deets on the back, and it has a little zipper thing at the top so you can like slice it open, or it has a little tear tab, and then it is a resealable pouch. So this is loose tea. You will like boil it and then strain it or pour water on it depending how tea-ish you are. Kenyans, we boil it. We don't joke. We are into strong tea here. So that is one for you also. Next is English afternoon tea. So this is also a tribute to the tradition of afternoon tea created from selected leaves from tea estates in Kenya, known for their excellent tea quality. Its subtle aroma and smooth medium body make it an ideal choice to enjoy in the afternoon. Slamming, I'm into that. And look at that packaging. Don't joke, it's awesome. So the green tea, the English breakfast, and the afternoon tea. Yummy. Don't know what that was. Also, because I love the packaging, the tin, it's great. So this is Safari Pure Tea, and this is 25 enveloped tea bags in a super great tin. Honestly, who could resist that? So that is also going in the giveaway. Can't see it, right? Put it by the cactus. Oh, we're still on to tea. The good one. So this is Katipa Pride Premium Tea. So this is the herbal variety. Herbal. The flavors in this collector's tin are lemon, ginger, masala, forest fruit, jasmine, cinnamon, caramel, mint, mango, orange, and Earl Grey. But the tin is amazing. There's 11 different teas in there. And on the back, it has a super great blurb about Kenyan tea, which is remarkable and amazing and organic by nature. So like super ball and super great tea. Put that over there. Trying out the shelves for the first time. So like wish me luck. That is it for tea. I think so. Now this is out of Africa, premium coffee, medium grind. Will it pick it up from there? So this is 250 grams, 100% Arabiatic coffee, out of africa.co.ke, Nairobi, Kenya. The packaging is great. Like it's a really nice, smooth, matte finish bag. The coffee is great. I love it. Oh, I can't reach. That's a hazard. Snacks, my favorite part. Same company, out of Africa. So these are macadamia and cashew nut honey glazed. Honey glazed. So those are pretty much like the very best bits you get out of like poppycock or whatever like popcorn nut mix you get at Christmas or whenever your parents are nice to you. Hi, Dad. We got it like once a year. But these are like all the good things out of it. They're so delicious and technically healthy. So I'm into that totally. I try to just walk past in the grocery store because I will just eat them like as a meal. They're delicious. So 150 grams of those. Don't fall over. And these Nutty by Nature Sweet Chili Lime. Let your taste buds go nuts. So these are a bit like chili lemon peanuts. I'm so all about it. And the packaging, who doesn't love that packaging? And again, they have like the tear top with the zippery thing, so like you can like literally snack and come back and snack more. How dark am I? I'm really dark, right? Sorry. Can I put those behind my cactus? Nuts. Mixed nuts, not to get the glare. Mixed nuts and macadamia nuts. Yummy. So just basically dry roasted and salted. These are 100 grams each. Trying to find a spot. I guess we go over here. Then we have Nairobi nibbles. Who doesn't love that? So there is chili coconut crisps. So these are basically like big slivers of shaved fresh coconut that are then dehydrated so that they're crispy like a potato chip, but healthy for you because they're coconut. And these are chili flavor. These are sweet. And these are salty. So how great is that? So you get to try all three of those. Also amazing packaging, zipper tops, made in Nairobi. So who doesn't love that? Those are amazing. And then candy time. This says licorice, but it is not licorice. It is kind of like jelly beans, like Kenyan jelly beans, I suppose. They are vegan, so there's no gelatin inside. And the flavors are lemon and lime, pineapple, and watermelon in an amazing collector's tin. Not joking. You also get those. Hope you can see it. And then what my son found, he spotted it a mile away, is this spout gum, which is pretty much like Freshen Up, although it's not made in Kenya. We can buy it here. So I am sending you grape and peppermint in case you have flashbacks to Freshen Up. Those are there. And then also, just for your viewing pleasure and possible interest, is Expat Link magazine. It's a free little handout, but it has all the prices inside for renting houses, buying cars, going on holiday, apartments to buy, cars, tons of cars. People are always selling cars. Motorbikes, dirt bikes, vacation homes, up country, like out of town, swimming pool supplies, blah, 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 blah. Guitars, music things, like all sorts of stuff is in here. So that is included in the giveaway also, and to convert it into Kenyan shillings, you just put in a decimal. So if it is 1,000 Kenyan shillings, it would be $10 US. So super easy to figure this out, and I find it very interesting, and I live here, so I think you'll find it interesting too, or I hope so. Anyway, that is all that is in the giveaway. Pop that behind, I suppose. Yep. And who won? I know, right? I'm so excited. Okay, because I'm mean-spirited, and that's how it is. This is the profile picture. Who recognizes it? I know you do. I know you do. Ready? Congratulations, Cindy Sparks! Yay! Cindy Sparks won this amazing giveaway. Her comment was, I wish I could be there. However, I take care of my dad, so I live vicariously through your videos. So thank you so much for being a part of our community, Cindy. It means the world to me that you have found us and joined us and support us as all of us, not me, but like everybody together. And I think it's so great. So thank you so much, Cindy, for being you and being part of our group. And Cindy always comments, she joins us for live, she's always around, and I'm just so thrilled that she won the 15,000 subscriber giveaway. If you did not win, I can put a link in for the Crochet Gold Tee. You can buy that on Amazon. What else can you get on Amazon? Okay, nothing. You can't get anything else. But I can put the Crochet Gold Tee link below. You should really need to try it. It's amazing. And if you didn't win, we can also, well, I could also ship you this giveaway, but it's not cost effective. It's about $180. So it's a big kick in the teeth. But if you do want to do that, I can also send you the same package that Cindy received. And there's also going to be another giveaway coming up in November, so stay tuned for that. So congratulations again, Cindy. I am so happy it's you, and congratulations, and kisses. And we'll see you soon. Stay hooked. Mess up my fancy do. Chris. And we'll see you soon. Stay hooked. Is that right? You like that? Is it too dark over here? You can tell me if it's too dark. My glasses are falling off. Too dark? Probably. Okay.